Welcome back to the channel. So today is day 11 of my January gardening challenge and it is snowing. I have to be a bit clever about what jobs I'll do today. Right, so today I'm gonna tie up my Clematis Montana. It's been an absolute beauty. I'll try and find a clip of it back in spring, what it looked like. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. So join me today for day 11 in my challenge where I'm gonna tidy up and tie up my Clematis Montana. Let's get into it. I really hope I don't have to go work tomorrow now. Who else is tempted to do that on a snow day? There's actually a thing where I work, perhaps a bit frowned upon, but you can have a snow day, or at least, yeah, it's in there, although they don't want to admit it. Anyway, let's get the ladders out, start tying up this Clematis. Now, I said I'm going to be a little bit more organised this year. I think I've been a little bit, but I need to find my string. Luckily, I can remember where it is before it gets completely covered in snow. Get a couple of pre-cut strings. This will just save me up and down the ladder a couple of times. It's actually starting to ease off a little bit now. There we have it. There we have it, another job completed. I hope you're enjoying this series where I get to get out in the garden every day, complete a task or a few. If you are enjoying it, then please give it a big thumbs up, as it really does help my little channel out. Drop a comment down below. Let me know if you are taking the challenge or are you taking a more relaxed approach to January. But anyway, I will see you guys tomorrow. Till next time, we'll see you in the garden. You take care.